Are you ready to cook pasta in your Thermomix? Because I'm going to show you the quickest way of doing it. Let's go for pasta in your Thermomix. It's super simple, very easy to do, and it's quite a thing to look out for because it just looks so cool. So you start by just popping some water into your mixing bowl, enough, and then we're going to heat it up. You could also just have the water in the mixing bowl when it's heated up already in the kettle, but you can just do it cold as well, doesn't matter, however you like it. I'm just going to heat it up for a good 10 minutes now. So it's been about 10 minutes, water is hot, and I've just added, well, I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. Now there's a controversy about adding oil to pasta water. Leave me a comment below and tell me whether you do or don't do it and why you do or don't do it, because I still do it and I feel like it must be a habit, I don't know. Now we're just going to pop our pasta right through the lid like that, okay, and this is going to be the mesmerizing part. I'm going to pop it on for about 10 minutes. Mine is the packet instructions, 10 minutes. It's 100 degrees, and don't forget to add the reverse button. If you don't put it on reverse, you're going to probably have a problem because your pasta is going to be completely wrapped around the blade. In order to avoid that, we're going to do that one, okay? And we're going to go on speed 1 and watch that now. So pasta is done and it's cooked, and let's have a look. I'm going to drain mine in the Varoma because it's so easy to do. You just pour it in, wait for it all to come out. Hopefully it hasn't wrapped up too much. And then if it does, just take a fork underneath and then you can release it properly. Like that. There you go. Out it comes into your basket.